Welcome back, everybody. I am your host, Funky D 1. Today, now about Ona Buhari, we go talk in this segment where we dey so. Alright, but before we dive inside, I want to take this opportunity thank those of una when they subscribe, and for those of una when they watch Funky D and will never subscribe, I say make una dey subscribe. Make we dey plenty. As we dey plenty, then go dey hear our voice everywhere all over the world. That is why it's important you subscribe to Funky D's channel. We not dey here to propagate false news. No, we are here to give you the gospel truth of everything. Today, make we look inside their Buhari and this man, what they call Femi Fani Kayode. Who this Femi Fani Kayode really be? Okay. Femi Fani Kayode come out recently. They tell Nigerian people say he meet Buhari before. Say he meet Buhari somewhere before. When Buhari do in campaign before. So, but I'm not sure say that this Buhari now when they in the talk. Maybe another one when they before. Anyway, that will not be the bone of contention. The bone of contention be say Femi come and talk say Buhari tell and say he no fit trust Igbo people. Say he no go ever trust Igbo people. That is a very big and a bogus claim by Ona Buhari. The headline: Buhari says he can't trust the Igbo. And this talk they trend everywhere right now as me and you dey yarn. So make we take a look, make we see how this man will be Femi Fani Kayode alias FFK come yarn this matter. After that, we go continue with that Femi Fani Kayode of a thing, because he get wetin Femi Fani Kayode do recently. And I know say many of they go down well with many people, but he still get in supporters. You understand? He still get in few supporters. So make we read, make we see how Femi come talk this thing and where he come meet President Muhammadu Buhari when Buhari come tell him this thing when he tell him about Igbo people. Then before we go by said the Buhari when hate Igbos and love killing Igbo people. The same man. Okay. Former aviation minister Femi Fani Kayode in a trending video has revealed the conversation between him and President Muhammadu Buhari in 2013. Now 2013 this one happened, but this one now 2021. Femi bring out this topic. We don't know the reason why Femi they bring out this topic. This thing happened in 2013. How many years now? That is many years ago. Now this thing happened. On why Buhari does not trust the Igbo. In the video, shot in 2017, Femi Fani Kayode claims that Buhari told him that Igbo people could not be trusted because of the killings of northern political and military officers in the 15th January coup. We know how many souls when Muhammadu Buhari don't swallow. We know how many blood, how many lives when this same man, when they claim to say Igbos not they good, you not fit trust Igbo people. We know how many people when the man don't kill. People when don't go, when don't die under this same man. This same name when they propagate say he die alive. When till tomorrow and forever, when we know say Buhari don't die since. Mimicking Buhari's manner of speaking, FFK says Buhari told him they kill our leaders and we can never forget it. It is a cultural problem you can't trust them. Can you imagine a leader talking like this? That he can never forget them. That is a culture. We can't trust them. Can you imagine once again a leader when they talk like that? Him, all those our criminal brothers, when they call themselves, say them be Ohanes Indioshi, they go meet somebody when not like you, when not love you, you not even want to see you. Then they go meet, they beg, say make you give them money. The same man. How can a leader be speaking like this? The man continue. He said, "I don't fit trust Igbo people, okay? Because they kill our leaders, and we can never forget it. It is a cultural problem. You can't trust them." FK view the conversation to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. The video has now been uploaded by Rhino Omukri, an aide of former President Goodluck Jonathan. Curiously, Buhari before then had picked 2 Igbo candidates as running mates in 2 presidential bids before winning the election in 2015 with a Yoruba Southwest candidate, Yemi Osinbajo, the man when we don't know where they up to today. In 2003, he ran with former Senate President Chuba Okadigbo. In 2017, he ran with another Igbo candidate, Chief Umar Ezoke, a Second Republic Speaker of the House of Representatives. However, the pairing did not yield vote in the Southeast states. In 2011, Buhari picked Pastor Tunde Bakare. The ticket also failed. So, ladies and gentlemen, now this one, when Buhari, they tell people, somebody wanna say na president, they talk all this thing. Wanna tell us say na normal person. You cannot say a normal man will come out to the Nyan the way when this man the Nyan. And again, it's up to these people to know how they want to play with all these northerners, because nobody is being favored by these northern people. Now, you get one news where they tell us, see, Femi Fani-Kayode moved to return to APC before na PDP person, and now Ingon enter back to APC. Nigeria, when onadi, this one are the same Femi Fani-Kayode when they blast APC people, ladies and gentlemen. The same person. You can say Buhari not good many times. They don't blast his opposition many times. You don't talk some kind things about the opposition when be the APC, because PDP then they claim that them be the main opposition. But when you are in PDP, then APC becomes your opposition. When you are in APC, PDP now your opposition. So now so the game they work. Now Femi wan run go meet people when in don't claim say they not be better people and say they not they govern well. Tell me now how that Nigeria go take work when we say every day these people then they run up and down like Ashawo people. Every day then they enter here, they enter there. How Nigeria, how you want to trust these people now? Femi Fani-Kayode they claim say him na good person. Na so he portray himself to Nigerian people. Everybody know who Femi Fani-Kayode papa be. Now then they follow destroy that country. Now Femi don't come out. They follow him papa footstep. Before, Funkidi don't tell me say Femi is never to be trusted. Everything when Femi they do, partner IPOB na moi. Everything when Femi they do, partner IPOB na pretending. Na man when they look for where he go take money, go sit down. Now Yoruba guy. Now full-time betrayer, these people be. Full-time, ladies and gentlemen. You don't tell us say APC no good. You dey for PDP. Now APC now you want jump go. Well, not be that one we want talk. Make we talk about wetin happen because this man go visit Yahaya Bello of Kogi State. Same FFK. When they tell you see him, I love IPOB, he love Biafran people, he love Igbo people. If Femi Fani Kayode love IPOB or love Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or love Biafran people or love Igbo people, remember say not quite long FKK threw his wife away from the house brutally. Because in a politician, they can do anyhow, they can do anything where they want. Nobody they ask them. So, if we so much love these Igbo people as in they claim, FKK if for don't forget anything that is called PDP and APC and begin to chant Oduduwa. Very simple. If you love Nnamdi Kanu as in they claim, say in love Nnamdi Kanu, in love Igbo people, in love this make that. FKK for say this thing when my friend when Nnamdi Kanu they fight for, I go fight for my people like that. But when I go see say no love, he not see any love. What did they look for? Na money. But you know get that money through IPOB. You know could get that money through Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now when they chop in PDP Norisha, now APC now FFK don't face say in one jump enter. I hope this thing clear every Igbo person, every Biafran person, and every Yoruba person, and every patriotic Nigerian. These people, they don't have no single integrity, and they are all clueless. Even if FK become president today, for example, FK not do nothing. Even in go worst past this Buhari regime. Anybody when become in that country become president of Nigeria after the Buhari, if Nigeria remain, the country go to go worst every now and then because they are all clueless. Okay, so make we read a little bit. Make we see how FK now, whether in the North presidential ambition, whether now the one when you go meet when be the Yahaya Bello, the North presidential ambition in 2023, I don't know who the North, who, and waiting that the North for. I don't know. From Kidi say no. Now we will see. FKK meet Yahaya Bello amid rumors of Kogi State Governor presidential ambition. Oh my Jesus, these people, they are radicals, ladies and gentlemen. They are radicals. You know, when they call rascal, say somebody in a rascal person. The APC and PD people and the whole political parties in Nigeria, they are all rascals. Ndi abo ezi mmadụ nwanne. No. Femi Fani Kayode explained that he had a fruitful discussions on how to move Nigeria forward during his meeting with Bello, a chieftain of the All Progressive Congress. Let me tell you, nobody can move that country forward. Now backward. In fact, you know, when they say forward, you know, say now backward they talk. We know them already. When they tell you say they want to move something forward in Nigeria, I mean the leaders, when they claim say that them be leaders. Now the opposite than the yan. Femi Fani Kayode explained that he had a fruitful discussion on how to move Nigeria forward during his meeting with Bello, a chieftain of the All Progressive Congress. a People Democratic Party PDP chieftain who disclosed the meeting on his Twitter handle on Monday, wrote, "It was an honor to have spent quality time with my friend and brother, Governor Yaya Bello of Kogi State last night." Everybody are their friends and brothers. "We had a frank, candid, fruitful, and productive discussion about the way forward for our country. This is a clear case of politics without bitterness and of building bridges. This is a time that we as Nigerians must all come together as one to save our country." Yaya Bello and Kayode's meeting was held amid claim of Governor Yaya Bello nursing a 2023 presidential ambition. Bello presidential campaign poster was sighted in Yobe State recently. However, former Kogi State Senator Dino Melaye had accused the governor of using his presidential ambition to deceive and distract Nigerians from the looting and failure of his administration. Meanwhile, the movement for the actualization of the sovereign state of Biafra, MOSOB, has warned Governor Yaya Bello and some other politicians like Bola Tinubu, national leader of the All Progressive Congress APC, against contesting the 2023 presidential election. No, I don't hear them now. No, I don't hear them. Even Dino Melaye, they tell this guy, say, in the distract Nigerian people not to focus on his looting, and they distract them. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, these people, everybody is tired of this 2023. They don't start them. I don't tell majority of them last year say this 2023. Una no fit see am. Una no fit see am. Anybody when they campaign for 2023, you don't fit see that thing. And guess what? If these people are able to take over in 2023, whoever win the election, that is the end of Nigeria. That is the end of Islamization of Nigeria. The agenda now to take over that 2023, whoever win, then go Islamize Nigeria full time. That time you don't go even have mouth to object to anything what I tell you. That time they go implement this thing when they want to implement in social media. That time, ladies and gentlemen, if these people, if we this message, I send this message to Nnamdi Kanu, Sowore, all the whole freedom fighters. People, when they fight genuinely for this freedom, we should never allow these people to take over in 2023, because that time we are all going to be doomed. In fact, that time hellfire self go better. These people, if they succeed to take over, whoever win, whether not from North, whether not from anywhere, whether from Yoruba land, whether not from Igbo land, forget, that is the final of Islamization. So it better we stop this thing now. Thank God, say Sowore don't write to Nnamdi Kanu. They got to stop these people. These people, they are a bunch of criminals. I'm telling you the gospel truth. If you like, believe me. If you like, leave that talk there. Allow these people to take over in 2023. Then you see what is going to happen to you and your family. Allow these people to take over. So, ladies and gentlemen, now here we go stop. We'll see as Femi Fani-Kayode they jump up and down. This one a truthful person. He said, I love Igbo people, I love Biafran people, I love IPOB, I love Nnamdi Kanu. All are garbage when the man they talk come out from his mouth. Everything when the man they speak, when be Femi Fani-Kayode, na garbage, ladies and gentlemen. In the fine way, won't collect money. That's all.